The current exchanged cost range 0.1210.1241, or so they actually thought the previous day, close 0.1214. The change usually was plus 0.0013 plus 1.07, which in every way that truly matters is genuinely large. The current exchanged cost range 0.1210.1241, or so they truly thought the previous day. Close 0.1214, the change generally was plus 0.0013 plus 1.07, which in every way that truly matters is genuinely huge. Contrary to popular belief, the exchange rate of US dollars to Algo absolutely exists. Algorand value expectation for in the not-too-distant future and month. Algorand cost estimate on Thursday, July 6, cost 0.13 are unquestionably the most severe. 0.14 at the very least 0.12, which is virtually enormous. On Friday, July 7, Algorand engagement cost 0.13 essentially most extreme 0.14 truly least 0.12, which is genuinely significant. Algorand cost projection on Monday, July 10, cost 0.13 type of most extreme on Tuesday, July 11. 0.14 truly least 0.12, which is often quite large. Algorand estimate cost 0.13 sort of most extreme 0.14, particularly 0.12 in a statistically meaningful way over a multi-week period. On Wednesday, July 12, the cost of Algorand is expected to be 0.13. On Thursday, July 13, the cost of 0.14 actually least 0.12 in a very significant way. Algorand engagement is 0.13 truly greatest. 0.14 is certainly less than 0.12, which is contrary to popular belief. On Friday, July 14, the anticipated cost of Algorand is 13 cents. 0.14 truly least 0.12, which is obviously a very large Algor, and Monday, July 3, cost 0.13 truly most extreme. In contrast to popular belief, 0.14 is fundamentally less than 0.12. Algorand forecast on Tuesday, July 4 cost 0.13 kind of most extreme 0.14 certainly least 0.12 in a sort of enormous manner in about 14 days. Algorand forecast on Wednesday, July 5 cost 0.13 truly most extreme 0.14 certainly least 0.12 in a sort of enormous manner in about 14 days 0.14. In every practical sense at least 0.12, or so they clearly thought. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, July 6 cost 0.12 by far and away the most extreme. 0.13 wonderful least 0.11 or so. Algorand engagement on Friday, July 7 cost 0.12 certainly greatest 0.13 by and large least 0.11 so. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, July 11 cost 0.13 in every practical sense most extreme 0.14 or, at the very least, 0.12 was what they were thinking. On Monday, July 10, Algorand cost 0.12 actually greatest 0.13 in every manner that really mattered least 0.11 in contrast to common thought. On Tuesday, July 11, Algorand estimate cost 0.11 lovely most extreme 0.12 is generally less than 0.10, which is actually significant in 3 weeks. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12 cost 0.11 kind of highest 0.12 in every practical sense least 0.10, which typically shows that Algorand value sort of equivalent to 0.1227 a coin in a major way. On Thursday, July 13, Algorand figure cost 0.10 in every aspect that actually matters most extreme. 0.11 is far less than 0.09, which is extremely vital. On Friday, July 14, the cost of Algorand is projected to be 0.10, with the most severe cost being 0.10. 0.11, exceptionally least 0.09 in a significant way. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 17, cost 0.10, genuinely most extreme 0.11 by and large least 0.09. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost 0.10, truly greatest 0.11, truly least 0.09. Demonstrating how Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 10 cost 0.13, all things considered, most extreme 0.14, least 0.12, which, by and large, is genuinely huge in about a month. Algorand figure on Friday, July 21 cost 0.10, for the most part greatest 0.11, essentially least 0.09, or so they thought, but United States dollars to Algo swapping scale, commonly equivalent to 8.1500 coins per $1, exceptionally in contrast to mainstream thinking today's reach 8.0580, 8.2645 in an unpretentious way, the past as close to 8.2372, or so they generally thought change. For now 0.08721.06, which sort of is very large United States dollars to Algo cost gauge 4 in on Thursday, July 6, the dollar to Algorand estimate cost 7.692 coins, with the most extreme being 8.3333 and the least being 7.143 in a considerable way. United States dollars to Algo forecast on Friday, July 7 cost 7.692 coins, particularly greatest 8.333, genuinely least 7.143. So in 3 weeks. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12 cost 0.11, genuinely most extreme 0.12, genuinely least 0.10, which sort of shows that Algorand value sort of equivalent to 0.1227 a coin in an exceptionally significant manner. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Monday, July 10, cost 7.692 coins, particularly greatest 8.3333, generally least 7.143 es. After the Federal Reserve released its minutes for June, which hinted at more tightening if the central bank thinks it's necessary, Bitcoin and other top crypto tokens went down on Thursday. Even though the market was still strong, investors took some gains off the table. On Thursday, Bitcoin lost even more value. The biggest cryptocurrency token fell another 1% and is now worth less than $30,500. Its biggest rival, Ethereum, also lost about 1% but stayed above $1,900. But most of the price movement in other altcoins was going down. Bitcoin went down after the minutes of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, were made public. But it stayed steady above $30,400 after the CEO of BlackRock said positive things about Bitcoin, said Edel Patel, co-founder and CEO of Mudrex. Bitcoin briefly rose above $31,000 earlier this week, but it has been holding steady above $30,000 as the bullish momentum has slowed down. Still, Bitcoin is still close